Hello students, in this video we'll learn how to create a company in Tally. So when you will open the Tally, this will be the first screen that will come. So here you see this is the portion where already created companies will be displayed. Okay, so here I have already created one company, that is SKD Medicare. So like this, whatever companies you will create will be displayed here. Now we will see how to create a company. Okay, so we'll come in this right menu bar. There will be two menu bars, in the top and in right. So in the right menu bar you will come to company info option. Okay, so in company info option we'll go and there will be another option, create company. So we'll click in create company. All right, so the first thing we'll enter is the name of the company. Say I have given SKD Electronics. Alright, then we can give details, mailing name, then address. Say it is in Guwahati. Then a country, state. So here whenever you will click a letter, so here options will come. So it is a tip to do it quickly. So see Assam has came, so you can enter. Then pin code you can give. Okay, then mobile number. Okay, so all the details, contact numbers you can give. Say similarly the mobile number and all the details you can enter. So to go to the next field you can click enter, and to go back to the previous field you can click backspace. Okay, the backspace key you can click and it will go to the previous field, and if you click enter it will go to the next field. So this is the financial layer from where you want to begin the functioning of your company, or the book is written here. After that the book begins from. So this is the option where you will give the date from which you are maintaining the book. Okay, then all the security controls you have to give. If you want to give password to this company you can give it here. All right, so when you go, so at the end when you selected all the options, a option box will come where it will be asked, do you want to save it or not. Okay, so if you want to save all the details you can click Y, or simply click here in yes. Or if you don't want to save the details now, or you want to edit the details, you can click and or click in no. All right, so let's see if we save. So see, company is created, SKD Electronics, right? So earlier the two companies were. So now if you want to select a company, where you will go, here in company info you will go select company. Okay, so here you can select which company you want. So let's click select company. See, two companies created. I have already, at the beginning this company was there, SKD Medicare, and newly I have created SKD Electronics. Okay, so here you can select in which company you want to work now. All right, so thank you.